Hi guys! Today we'll learn how to add a zoom in effect in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Now tap on New Project so you can start a fresh editing screen. After that, select any video or photo from your gallery that you want to edit. Once selected, it will automatically import into CapCut. After importing your video, you will see it on the timeline. Now simply tap on the video clip so it becomes active for editing. This step is important because all effects will apply only when the clip is selected. So make sure your video is highlighted before moving forward. Now look at the bottom menu and tap on Animation. This is where all motion effects like zoom, fade, and slide are available. It might look confusing at first, but don't worry, it's very simple. We just need the zoom effect from here. Inside the Animation section, tap on In Animation. Here you will find different effects that control how your video starts. Scroll or browse until you find zoom-related effects. This section is where the magic of zoom in effect begins. Now look for the zoom in effect and tap on it. Once selected, you will see a preview of how it looks on your video. If it looks good, just confirm it using the tick mark. This will instantly apply a smooth zoom effect to your clip. After selecting the zoom effect, tap on the tick mark to apply it. Now your video will automatically have a zoom-in animation added. You can replay the video to check how smooth the effect looks. It really makes your content more engaging and professional. And that's how you can easily add a zoom in effect in CapCut. If you practice this a few times, you'll master editing very quickly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what editing tutorial you want next.